Good morning, students. We were learning about the 17th lesson now, Delhi and islands. Delhi is the capital of India. Its official name is the National Capital Territory of Delhi. It is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. Delhi is divided into two, New Delhi and Old Delhi. I have taught this now. Delhi shares its boundaries with the Haryana and UP. Its boundaries are Haryana and UP. New Delhi was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens under the British rule. Delhi is a union territory, means it is under the control of the central government. But it has an elected government headed by the Chief Minister. Delhi remains hot and dry in summers. Sometimes there blows hot winds called Lu. The winters are very cold. In July to September, there is rain. Now today I want to teach the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. These are a group of islands at the junction of the Bay of Bengal and the Andaman Sea. The capital of the place is Port Blair. Andaman and Nicobar Islands capital is Port Blair. The island region has three districts. It has three districts. It is spread over an area of 8,250 square kilometer and the population is around 3,80,000. Though the place includes around 550 islands, but there is only 7% of them are inhabited. Only 7% are people live here. The climate of the island is hot and humid. The islands have a thick forest cover and the timber of the forest is very valuable. The wood of the forest is very valuable. Indira Point in the Great Nicobar Islands is the southernmost tip of India. Languages here, people speak Bengali, Hindi, Tamil, etc. This much about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is in the Bay of Bengal. Fishing and farming are the main occupations. Rice is the main crop grown in the Andaman Islands. Coconut and arecanut are grown in the Nicobar Islands. Some people also make shell and wooden handicrafts. Most people speak Bangla. The beautiful beaches and the cellular jail are major tourist attractions. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is famous for its cellular jail and Samudrika Naval Marine Museum, Forest Museum, etc. Now, Lakshadweep Islands. The word Lakshadweep means 100,000 islands. It means the word Lakshadweep. What is the meaning of word Lakshadweep? Means 100,000 islands. These islands are the smallest union territory under the control of the central government. They are located some 400 kilometers off India's west coast into the Arabian Sea. The islands are a group of 36 islands having an area of around 32 square kilometers. The islands are coral islands. Coral means a hard substance made of the limestone. The capital of the Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. Its capital is Kavaratti. The islands have a population of around 66,000 and people speak Malayalam, Hindi, Tamil, etc. Its largest city is Androth. Kavarthi is one of the gems of the Lakshadweep group islands. Its quietness, pure air, and unpolluted nature attract many tourists. Lakshadweep is a group of islands in the Arabian Sea. These islands are flat. Fishing is the main occupation of the people of Lakshadweep. Coconut is the main crop grown here. Kayar extracted from the coconut is an important industry. Most people speak Malayalam also. Many tourists visit these islands because of its quietness, pure air, and unpolluted nature attracts many of the tourists. This much about Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep, the word Lakshadweep means 100,000 islands and its capital is Kavaratti. Okay, so you have to read this lesson, 70th lesson, 3 times. It will be the homework for you. And the next class I will give the tick the correct answer, answer the following, fill in the blanks and match the columns. Okay, and you have to read this part 3 times. That will be the homework. Okay, thank you.